Alright guys, I'm in the back here now, making some last touches. Gonna fix that little spot there. I'm dropping the gas tank also. I got some special kind of paint to prevent that gas tank from rusting. It's gonna look like factory for as long as possible, unless the paint get breached somehow, and I doubt that. It's some very, very good paint. I got tons of cans of it, and different kinds of grays at that. But we're gonna mimic the same gray as if it was brand new. Gonna make that look nice. So I'll drop the gas tank right now. We'll drop the gas tank right now. You get it out of my way to spray up inside underneath the gas tank as well with some rust reformer. And I just put some penetrant there just to try to ease that hose off. And yeah, we're gonna drop that, clean that gas tank all up. Spray all underneath above the gas tank with rust reformer, clean all it up. Make sure we scrape everything off. We want this. Yeah, pretty much done with this area. So let me get the gas tank drop. I'll just keep updating you guys as I move along. Then I'll post the footage. And I'll just kind of build up enough footage to make one video out of, and we'll keep moving like that. Unless I Alright guys, I've been welding like crazy. Pretty much done with this spot here. Using 120 grit. So I'm about 90% done with this, and off to the other ones. Just pushing, guys, pushing to get it done. And then I'll be at the other side, and then we'll be at the back. All right, guys, we're on to this side. Let's take a look at what's the problem over here. What's the damage? Little something, not bad. We're gonna fix that. So let's get this right, then we're gonna get to the back. So let's knock this out. All right, guys, just about done. As you see, I got that blind. Okay, guys, we're on the driver's side. Now I'm done with this side. Got 3 coats of this self-etching primer before we use this. Pretty much done. Got 3 coats here, completely done and nice. And let's go to the passenger side now. 3 coats over there as well. And now I'm gonna use the rust reformer. Turned out great, both sides. So let me use the rust reformer and We'll be going to the back in a second. Okay guys, I just finished the last coat of rust reformer on the underneath this side, under the floor pan, on the driver's side and the passenger side. I just did both with this. So we got 3 coats of this self-etching primer, 2 coats of this rust reformer. This stuff is amazing. Both of these are amazing. So we're protected, and 1 coat of this uphold undercoat. This stuff is amazing as well. I got a lot of cans. I got quite a few. I bought 6 cans because I'll be doing the white Mustang in a similar fashion. We want to protect this bottom section by the floor pan because that's where it seems to rust out on these cars. So this will never rust out again unless it gets damaged under there. This is damaged. Let me show you guys before we put the undercoat on. This is how it looks. Just perfectly finished. I cut all this out and just a perfect finish, and we're sealed now. So now we're gonna put that 1 coat of undercoat on here to finalize this job. This won't rust out again unless there's damage to it, to peel those layers back to get to the bare metal. And this hole underneath this car is the same way. Underneath this entire car is the same way. It's been coated multiple times with that rust reformer. So I did both floors where the patches are. I did both sides the same way with the self-etching primer first, and then I did the rust reformer, and now we're gonna do a little rubberized coating on both of those patches to make sure they're fine. So like I said, we just want to protect it. So I'm gonna do this step right now, and I'll be back when I spray this on. Let me get my mask, and just 1 coat, just a light coat of this to cap this off, to finish this off. Then we'll be rolling this out and putting the white car in and show you guys something. I'm almost out of wire, and I know I got a lot of welding to do. So look what just came in the middle. Got this 12.5 pound roll. I'm ready to go. This is what I'm using. I might do really well with the 030 wire. Always have. And we're good on wire now because I'm gonna be doing a lot of welding with the white car. So I'm happy this came in like right on time because I'll be done with those last 2 patches probably I'm gonna knock them out in 1 day or 2 days max. And same treatment with the self-etching primer, the rust reformer, and some undercoating, like to make it look good. I might go with a heavier undercoating or rubberized coating after I get through protecting the metal, because it is in the rear wheel. This is a rear wheel drive car. It is in the rear wheel well, and we want to prevent any rust from back there, period. So most likely probably going to use this. This stuff comes out super thick and it's excellent. I've used this on a lot of stuff and it works well. So after we protect the metal, we probably just coat back there really good with Flex Seal. So got a few cans of this standing around. Just 1 can will do the back perfectly due to it is a rear wheel drive car. So just about done with this to roll it out and get the white car completed. Try to knock it out within a few weeks so we can roll this back in here and start reassembling this thing. So bear with me, guys. I'm really pushing, getting the content for you guys as I go through this process. And as far as the windshield, guys, if you have been watching my channel, you know I cracked this windshield. I got all brand new these clips for the trim. but I'm gonna do the windshield later. There's a windshield place that does window glass and automotive window glass right around the corner from the house, guys. Less than 2 miles from my house. So I'm already talked to the guy. We're gonna get it down there after I get done with everything, and we're gonna put that. Look at the dashboard. That was perfect too. I'm gonna take that out and fix that back perfect. I'm gonna do all that, and we're gonna do the glass. That's the very last thing I'll be doing with this car. We're gonna roll it up there to him and get the glass installed. It's a professional shop, so I'm not worried about them damaging the dashboard when I finish it or the interior. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'll have the dashboard out the vehicle anyway, and like fix this section of the dashboard. I'll have this out, so I'll go take it, get the glass in, and I'll put the dash will be the final step. I'll put the dash in last, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put the dashboard in last. That'll be the very last thing I'll do. It has this old Kenwood radio. I want to just keep it like it was from back then, and has some Kenwood speakers in the back here and in the door. They sounded pretty decent, so I got some brand new speakers. I may upgrade. I got some brand new kicker speakers, or I just may leave them here. It's a Kenwood system. They sound good. This one was in the car. I'm gonna probably leave it in here. It has a small amplifier too, so I may just leave it like it was. But yeah, guys, we're pushing. So bear with me, and if you are new to the channel, I hope you are enjoying the content I'm posting. Just trying to fill the internet with Mustang 2 content, because there wasn't much on there. And I'm probably gonna have the most Mustang 2 content on the entire internet when it's all said and done. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Hope you guys are finding it helpful. If you do got Mustang 2s, or if you need anything regarding this car as far as where something goes or how something installs, just shoot me a message and I'll try to make a video of it. If I gotta disassemble something, I'll reassemble it to make a video for you guys. Just want to help out. That's what I'm here for, and post great content on the channel. So once again, hope you guys are enjoying this content, enjoying this build or the project as I push to get through with it. It's been a long 2 years, all the trials and tribulations I've dealt with this, and I just hope it turns out great. I really do. So subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you guys be notified when I do upload new content, which is a lot coming. Terrence, and I'm out.